Greetings from VS Pawar, India. Today we'll talk about how to achieve a good health and what are the parameters to check your health without any expenditure on diagnostic tests. Health is the greatest wealth. You must understand that health is the greatest wealth, which means that he that has the health must cherish it with care, lest he should lose it. Unfortunately, what happens that most people do not know the value of health until it is lost. Nature Cure provides a window for everyone to judge his health level without resorting to costly diagnostic tests whatsoever. Medical men have a number of standards for checking up the health level of a person. There are tables giving standards of height, weight, temperature, pulse rate, blood pressure, respiration, and so on and so forth. But all these show only a patent condition and they cannot indicate the latent condition of the disease. The disease that is latent cannot be seen by any of these tests. Health is therefore something far different. A healthy feeling is one in which the person does not feel the presence of his body. He doesn't feel the existence of any part. The presence of his body, its weight at any part of it. The presence or otherwise of any part of the body is known by the presence of pain or discomfort or uneasiness there. That is the indication of the presence of the cause of the disease. In common parlance, in any of the Indian languages, when we refer to health, we use the word arogya, which denotes absence of disease, and that is a negative term. This term is based on something permanent behind it, that is health. So health is a positive condition and disease is one opposite of it, which is only a symptom of fall in one's health level. Acharya Lakshman Sharma, the father of Nature Cure in India, describes a healthy body in a succinct form. First, the even warmth all over the body. The warmth all over your body should be similar and same. It should not be that your feet are warm and your head is cold, or head is cold and feet is warm, or other vice and versa. And there should be a lightness of feeling. You should always feel a lightness even after your food also. Even after lunch or dinner, you should not feel very heavy. Lightness of feeling, keen hunger. The healthy person has a very keen hunger. Sound and restful sleep. Clarity of mind. Ability of the body to work. Freedom from laziness and timely elimination of filth are the signs of good health. Second, a healthy person enjoys simple food and is contented because he experiences real hunger. He gets a satisfaction before eating to full capacity, which would give a feeling of fullness. You should not never feel fullness in your stomach cavity. Equally so, the process of digestion will be quite one, and the person will be absolutely unaware and unconscious of it. Thirdly, the healthy skin should not emit an unpleasant smell as does that of a carnivorous animal. The skin should be moist but not wet, should feel warm, be smooth to touch and have an elastic surface. Fourth, the lung function should be voluntary. You should not feel taking breath and without any difficulty. That is an unconscious routine. Breathing should be through the nose, not from your mouth. Fifth, sleep of a healthy person. Remember, sleep of a healthy person is very soft, quiet and uninterrupted. On waking up, one feels cheerful, bright and contented. 6. Deep mental emotions cannot long oppress a healthy man. He recuperates very quickly. father of hydrotherapy of Germany, Louis Kuhne, has laid down the following. First, a healthy person has a measure of his neck, say 17 centimeter, plus measure of the calf, say 15 centimeter, should be equal to the measure of abdomen at the navel, say 17 plus 15 centimeter is equal to 32 centimeter. The abdomen is not prominent, the legs are strongly built and straight. Bowels. A healthy person does not have to strain much to clear his bowels and should not be laced with mucus. It should not soil the toilet surface. In this connection, I would like to quote from Dr. A.B. Pearson of US. He says that if your bowels doesn't contain any bad smell, then you should be free from all disease and all pain. We wish that everyone has the requisite health level and he should be healthy, and I wish that everyone should be very healthy. Namaste. Thank you.